let's create a let's open Visual Studio 2022, and in 2020 let's click on create a new project. Now we'll we have we'll create a AspDotNet core. So select AspDotNet core web application and click on next and give a suitable name for AspNet ASP AspNet core demo. Now where we are storing this project is in C users VNRE and source repo, and we are using .NET 6.0 long-term support, and authentication type is not select as, and configure for HTTPS please keep select as and do not touch anything. Let's create. Now project is creating, and in ASP.NET Core we can use Mac OS, Windows, Linux also. Previously ASP.NET MVC can be used only in Windows. Now ASP.NET Core is an update version which can be used in Linux, Mac OS, so it's very useful for current requirement. Your project is creating, and in ASP.NET Core we can use. Now let's see that see, if you want to see the folder structure and click on view, there you will see solution explorer. Click on solution explorer. See, there you will see project structure. See, you can see that ASP.NET see, first one is properties, and there is a www root folder, and another one is pages. Okay, first we'll run this. So for run we have to click on ASP, click on this button. This will take time, so nothing to worry. So these are the console application in Visual Studio. Here you can see this files, edit, view, git, project, build, debug, test, analyze, tools, extensions, windows. So most of file includes with the new. We can create a new project, open. Already exist project is there, we can open by this one. And clone repository, if we have any repository like git or Azure repository, we can clone from here and start a window or add to source control, close and close solution. Even we have this start a live session, share session, join live, share session. And for edit we have this. So it's running, project is building, wait a second. And for edit we have go to where you want to go to the pages and lines, anything. And view, we have solution explorer and git changes, git repository, team explorer, server explorer, and we have entered this. And another one is git module. This is a clean git button, clear clone repository, create git. Project has been started. Yeah, this is the first view page in ASP.NET MVC core. Here we have two buttons, one is home and another one is privacy. So these are the first page. Now we'll go to solution explorer, where you can click on here, or you can click on here and go to control alt L. Then here we can see this www root folder. We have CSS file. Here we can add any CSS file which we require into project. And when it comes to JS, We can add any JavaScript file, and here we can have lib file that we can have any imported third-party libraries like Bootstrap, jQuery validation, or anything else. Here you can add images also. By adding images, we have to create a folder name called images. So we have to rename this one as else you can delete also this one. See, project is running, so that is the reason. Now we can rename, delete, okay, and now we can create new folder. Name is images. Okay. So in this image folder we can add any new images. So if you see these big projects like Flipkart or anything, Amazon, or if you see that Facebook, we can add a number of images here only. So maximum in any project there will be separate folder for images. Okay. And now this apps settings start development. Here we can give connections where we want to detect, and another one is that uh, launch J settings. Launch settings, here we can give environment settings, ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET Core environment, like development or development, or you can use these pages. You can see this view imports CSHTML and view start CSHTML, error CSHTML, index CSHTML, and this is the C program.cs file. This is the main file where we can start our project from here only. And again, once again, I'm running this project by clicking on this button. So project is building, and it's running. So once it runs, it will open a if you want to open in Chrome or if you want to open in Edge. See, we have any option is there. So this is the project. Thank you.